बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा ऐसा है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया ऑन यूथ। Social media is a platform where a lot of people spend their precious time. It has become an essential part of the lives of youth today. Online platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok are being extensively used. While social media has many advantages, it also has some negative impact on youth. One of the most significant impacts of social media on youth is its impact on mental health. Social media can lead to feeling of anxiety and depression, mostly when a person compares himself to others online. It can also lead to addiction, which affects productivity and social skills. Social media can also have a negative impact on the quality of relationships. Youth may become more comfortable communicating online rather than in person. Social media also takes away empathy from its users. We see people getting into trouble, but instead of helping them, people start recording their videos and posting them on social media. However, social media can also have positive impacts, such as providing a platform for youth to express themselves. Due to social media, more and more people are becoming informed about global and national affairs. Social media is also a good entertainment source. In conclusion, social media has both positive and negative impact on youth. It is important to use it responsibly. Be mindful of its effects on mental health and maintain a balance between online and offline interaction. It is up to the youth to make the most of the advantages and lessen the negative impact of social media. ये था हमारा ऐसे। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।